So basically, we are here getting to know what is textile design. So it is a creative and technical process by which thread or yarn fibers are woven together or interlaced to form a flexible, functional and decorative cloth or fabric which is subsequently printed upon or otherwise adorned. Both have different industries and different designers too, but the designer of home goods might choose the large bold pattern floral print for home goods like sheets or curtains, whereas the designer of clothing fabric will choose a simple and small pattern. Both designers specialize in their own field. Textile design is a very rich, diverse, and creative field. Many creative minds find fulfillment. Textile require creative stylists and colorists, of course, but it is also a highly technical field that rewards creatives with strong math skills. Strong mechanical understanding is necessary to realize a creative vision. Textile designers are highly creative people who can draw, have a superior eye for color, pattern, and texture, and an appreciation for the fine points of textile and fashion. They recognize the fluctuation in trends and fashion, understand textile techniques, are good communicators, possess problem solving skills, and enjoy a challenge, all while staying on a budget and deadline. The main subject needed for textile designing would be fabric construction, weaving, print design, and dyeing and embroidery. These days, it is also beneficial to learn certain softwares that focus on fabric structures and surfaces. A slight knowledge on the physical and chemical composition of a fabric will always be a plus point. The course will equip you with the implementation of the designs with the help of both traditional and modern tools of fashion and textile designing. The course will help you grow not only professionally but also as a person. You will get a right amount of industry experience throughout the course. textile designer can be employed in the garment, fashion, home furnishing, and the interiors segment, among other industries. Specifically, in garments, there is fashion designing, garment designing, textile designing, cloth designing, and fabric design. Export houses employ a good number of textile designers in the form of designers or merchandisers. Textile designers are involved in coming up with innovative ideas and developing commercially appealing designs and prints for a variety of fabrics, clothing, and non-clothing materials, furnishing materials, industrial fabrics, and other related materials using both natural and man-made fibers. These guys are mainly employed in the manufacturing arena, the textile industry, and ancillary fields such as packaging and paper.